How to log in into your Accenture Workday account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to log in into your Accenture Workday account, here is the process. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and then search for the Accenture Workday login. Tap on the very first link and you will land to a page like this. Tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right corner. Thereby, you will see the option to sign in. Tap on it, which will now take you to the log on portal. Hereby, it requires you to provide your email address and the password to get logged in or sign in. If you have forgotten your password, it requires you to provide the email address that you have used and you can reset the password as well. However, if you not have created the account yet, you can create the account, but make sure to not use your school, college or profession email. Instead, you can use your private accessible email address. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.